high. Shout it, look what I got. Shout it, look what I got. Look what I got. Come on. Hey, so that time you know the rapper is high. And shout it, look what I got. I'm born and raised. Understand that? Look what I got. Look what I got. Shout it, look what I got. Big wheels still spin when I stop. Presidential roll, gold, roll it wide with no bras. I say them for the pinky. Keep your suckers blinking. Ain't going platinum now, but I keep your suckers thinking. Mink seat, show to keep a player sinking. Swear he ain't slanging, but I know that shout it creeping. Got a condo in Orlando for the weekend. Be so crunk at the club, he gotta sneak in. No more room in the VIP, they paying just to peek in. When he leave, they be looking in the car, they can't even see in. And that's just the beginning, in the city that he in. He was rapping the cafeteria, but now they shout serious. Heard he got a CL, a EXT on Freeway. Several Chevys on 22. How many rappers he sell? I don't know, but he got a label now. The boy, the PSC. I heard Atlantic gave a deal, 2 or 3 million. Shout it, look what I got. An old school, a truck and a drop. So that time you think them rappers is high. Shout it, look what I got. The respect of the killers and G's. So that time you say the killers and G's, you probably looking at me. What we ballin' about the bar for the broad. So that time you think them rappers is hard. Shout it, look at the squad. Buying yachts, got the streets on lock. So that time you think your peeps on top. Pimpin', look what I got. I'm well known in the hood like the man phone number. Rollin' the thing, I can throw some 24s on me. Talk bad about the man, but I sure wonder why the dope boy ride with him and the girl. Very little promotions on his album, never heard of him, but it's jamming like the phone jumping out the stove. Cause I'm born in the raid, in the made in the streets. I done played in the days, in the shade, in the streets. I say I rapped in the trap with the best in the streets. Shot craps in the bank, you know the rest. Typically, you do a minute with me, you best invest in some schemes. I say it slow as snow, I don't fool with little blow. Got 80K, it's gon' take a little more. Double up and bring it back and make a little more. They moving slow, now what you take a hustle for? I'ma cock cameras of 44s and nail you down to the floor. And I ain't bragging, I'm just letting rappers know. Cause the media and radio can get a so dumb. Comparing me to these rappers' little flows, I do a song up they whole little show. Hey, shout it, look what I got. An old school, a truck and a drop. So that time you think them rappers is high, shout it, look what I got. The respect of the killers and G's. So that time you think the killers and G's, you probably looking at me. What we ballin' about the bar for the broad. So that time you think